Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do something that's called a 2-1-2, which is just a take on a Manhattan. And we're going to be using cognac, but I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to use a top shelf cognac, and I'm going to use a local brandy to us here in Toronto. And that's this one. And it's made by the same distiller that makes 40 Creek whiskey. So if you're familiar with 40 Creek whiskey, you should be familiar with what John Hall does and how great his products really are. And I'm also using a local vermouth. This is made down in Niagara as well. So, same amount in both mixing glasses. I'm going to use Angostura bitters, but you know, there might be other bitters that you like. Both of these get ice. And a stir. Okay, got a couple of coupe glasses with ice. They should be chilled right down. So, do you remember which is which? This one is the local brandy. And this one is the top shelf cognac. And both of these get a ridiculously expensive cherry as a garnish. The 2-1-2, a cognac brandy take on the Manhattan.
Cognac
Okay,
brandy
so
okay.
Top shelf, sort of middle of the way local brandy.
John stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
All right. Well, I'm in.
let's give it a go. Okay.
I think the challenge is that I'm not a flavor of this particular drink. The 2-1-2 is not something I'm not really fond of either of them.
No, they're not.
For me, it's not something I'm enjoying.
They're equally disappointing.
That's strange, but you know that's okay because everybody, it's like anything. Your combination of flavors is personal to you.
It's just not on my palate. Something that I would want. There's not a whole lot of sweetness there. In fact, there's no sweetness at all, is there?
No, I find it quite bitter.
There is a bitter flavor, but I don't think that either one of these stands out as this one's better than this one or that one's better than the other. I don't see. I think the vermouth takes over, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Neither of us are a big fan of the 2-1-2. And I wasted two unbelievably expensive maraschino cherries on this.
You're going to stick them out and eat them?
I should have just used the yellow label maraschino cherries. And here's the thing. People go to town. When I use these on camera, people go to town in the comment section ripping me apart because I use cheap cherries. These are unbelievably expensive. And they're not easy to get. Like, they're not, this is in every supermarket. This is a special trip for me to get them. And I just don't know.
All of those things, the special trip, the cost, all those things, it's not worth it to you, but
to some people it might be worth it. To
someone it is the piece, like depending upon the drink, it is the drink.
So I think the combination of the extra cost, the extra effort to go out and find them and all of those things, sometimes if I want to impress somebody and I want to feel really big, I'll use the Luxardo cherries. If I'm just making something for myself, I've got the no-name cherries. I'm happy with that.
So clearly for your friends, you went all out.
I go all out for you guys. Do you like cognac-based cocktails? I mean, I kind of enjoyed the Sazerac we did a little while ago with the cognac. So perhaps
do you like cooking with cognac?
I love cooking with cognac. Yes. So maybe this cocktail just isn't for us. Give it a try. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.